What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm gonna be making a review on a very affordable gel like whitening, bleaching, lightening gel. Now anyway, before I go to that, if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please share the video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna be making a review on Skin Success gel and Skin Success cream. Okay, so here this is the cream and this is the gel. So here it is. Okay, let me bring it out so you guys can see. Okay, so I have to do it this way. This stuff is always there, and this one too. Okay, it's inside. Okay, so this is it. This is it too. Alright, so this is the cream and this is the gel. Now this is an affordable gel whitening cream. Now let me tell you one thing. I've received a lot of comments, when I make a review on cream and lightening cream and stuff. If you go to the market, before you can find a moisturizing cream, you would find a lightening, bleaching, whitening cream like 70% in the market. Okay, so not because I am making a review on a particular product or cream and you be like, oh, look at her bleaching stuff, oh, look at her, she's getting white, oh, look at her, she's ugly, oh, look at her, she's that. Let me tell you guys, none of those comments get into my skin. None. It doesn't get into my skin at all, not for 1 minute, because of course I can't use all of the cream I make a review on. Definitely not possible. I only use one cream, but that does not mean that I don't know about cream. People study about something, all right? So people, devote their time to study about cream, whether you read it or you have experience by applying it, or you have worked in a spa, or you've worked in this place and all of that. So you don't know where I've acquired my own knowledge from, and you'll be like, oh, you're ugly, oh, you're bleaching, oh, your hand is dark, oh, your hand is dark. Anyways, even if I bleach, it's my business, right? And it's my skin anyways. So the day I'll die, nobody's gonna be there to be like, oh, she's that. So people should just kind of mind. But if you, I'm actually not talking to my 9,000 subscriber friend I have here. I'm not talking to those ones. I'm talking to those people who will just come and leave an insultive comment and poof, they go. All of that. But they are also welcome in the family. All right, so that's it though. All right, some of the stuff I know them because of one thing. I told you guys all of that. Okay, so that's basically it. Anyways, Skin Success cream and gel is a whitening and bleaching gel. It is very, very cheap and affordable, okay, and it is very, very effective. Effective in the sense that it whitens up the skin as fast as you would want it to, to do for you. I have a friend who applied only gel on her skin. I'm like, are you sure it's okay for you? And she's like, it's okay for her. I'm like, okay, that's great, no problem. So people with their life, okay, so you don't have to be like criticize anyone when she chooses to do what she wants to do. So basically, the Skin Success tube, as it would whiten and lighten up your skin fast, it might also give you dark knuckles. It might also bring out some pimples on your face. It might also give you some dark elbow and dark knee, because it's really hot, and it's like a very sharp kind of gel that whitens up your skin. If you apply this cream this night, when you wake up the next morning, you're white. Okay, so I've received tons of people who have been like, oh, who have asked me question like, oh, I want to whiten up my skin in just 3 days. Fine, you can use this, but you have, when you're using this, you don't have to expose yourself into the sun. But of course, I'm not advising you to use this. There are more other better tube that will give you a better result, and that will tone and bleach up your skin, like gentle, and also it's going to be friendly when you're exposed to the sun, compared to this. Of course, this also would give you the quick action that it says here. It says here quick action. Okay, you can see that definitely is going to give you that. But of course, beware of it, baby girl, baby boy. Of course, it's not only females that apply cream on their skin these days. Male to gentle, male also tend to whiten up and bleach their skin. So if you're doing that, you have to be careful, because I've made a review on some good gels, some very mild gel that will be suitable for the sun, for the rain, for the whatsoever season. Okay, but of course, I am in no way saying that Skin Success gel is not good, because of course I've used it, and my sister have used it. Although I used my sister's gel, or it wasn't mine, because then I was always using her products, like my cousin then, because of course she was always buying all of this stuff. Skin Success and Fashion Fair, those are the two gel that she uses so much. So I was always using her product, but it was whitening me up like crazy. That is not the kind of white I want. It was giving me this kind of white, like I was really white, but it wasn't giving me dark knuckles though. It wasn't giving me any stuff, but it was beginning to get my cheek around here red. And when it starts to get red like that, with time it would turn to black, and there you're experiencing sunburn. Because of that, I noticed that. I now said, okay, it is enough. I stopped using the tube, but my cousin continued using it. It was nice on her, because she was in school then. She was in no way exposed to the sun. She would go to class in the morning and come back in the evening and all of that. So I was working and she was in school, so that was the difference. Okay, so maybe it wasn't good on me because of the sun exposure, and that is why hot bleaching creams like this are not with sun, they are not friends at all. So if you're using any bleaching cream and all of that, and you're exposed to the sun, it will divide your skin. For instance, if you're wearing clothes like this, here will be dark and the inside will be fair, and in some people's skin the inside will be black and here will be fair. It depends on your skin type and how the cream reacts on your skin. Okay, so that's it. Every skin type or every person's skin is honestly different. It might be good for you, fine. It might also not be good for you, fine. So you can't compare your own skin, your own beautiful skin, compare it to some other person's, or you can't compare your own horrible skin, compare it to some other person's. Not like that. Okay, so we are not here to be like, oh, I used it and it was good for me, or I used it and it wasn't good for me. People's skin types are different. Okay, but nonetheless, it's a bleaching cream. Fine, if you want to use it, you go ahead, baby. You are the master of your life. And if you don't want to use it, I have other very good tube that I made a review on my channel. You can check that out. They are really friendly and nice. Okay, so this one, the cream, the gel works faster. The gel is transparent in color, while the cream is snow white in color. Okay, so that's just the difference in these two, but they are both doing the same job. But this one burns the skin faster. The gel burns the skin faster because it works really fast, like twice of this one, twice of the way this one works. Okay, so that's basically it. And that will be the end of this review today. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and also don't forget to share the video for your friends and family to see. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and peace baby.